Good morning, this is Healthy Home. We are on our way.
Finally, the Healthy Home is here to wreck my home, but sanitize it from A to Z. Me and Healthy Home go a long way. I think the first time I reached out to them was in 2015 to get my mattress cleaned. And since then, I have been the Healthy Home hooked. And let's get started. Deep cleaning is very important for me for many factors. On a personal level, I tend to have allergies that come and go with the season. Therefore, the Healthy Home comes for the rescue. It's important to clean our homes every 6 months to maintain a healthy living. We spend 1/3 of our times on our mattresses, and getting quality sleep is essential for our lifestyle. There is no way I can be smiling for this video, but this is exactly why you need to be cleaning every 6 months.